Hello students, in this video we will discuss about equation of a plane passes through three non-collinear points in the vector form. Means if that plane passes through 3 points, suppose a plane suppose this is a plane and this plane passes through 3 points, suppose R, S and T. These 3 points passes through this plane. With the position vector of R point is small a, position vector of S is small b vector and position vector of T is small c vector. Now here, if join these points like this, means RS and RT, this point will be these vectors will be perpendicular to a vector which is passes through the point R, and this vector is denoted by RS cross RT. RS cross RT. That means RS cross RT is perpendicular to RT and RS because these points lie in the plane. Suppose if another point P whose coordinate is x, y and z is an arbitrary point, then position vector of this point P is denoted by R vector, and if we join R to P, then Rp dot Rs cross Rt, this will be equal to 0 by the property of dot product of any two perpendicular vectors. Now here write R, S and T are three non-collinear points. Non-collinear points, and plane passes through these points. These points whose position vectors are small a vector, small b vector and small c vector respectively. Then a vector RS cross RT will be perpendicular to Rp vector. Therefore, by the property of product of two perpendicular vectors, this will be Rp vector dot Rs cross Rt is equal to 0. This is the equation first. Since Rp means position vector of P minus position vector of R, where OR is the vector A, that means this is the position vector of R. Since Rp equal to position vector of P minus position vector of R, that is, this will be equal to R vector minus A vector. Rs is equal to position vector of S A, position vector of S minus position vector of T. Since position vector of S means B, this is denoted by A like this, and position vector of T, this is denoted by OT. OS equal to B vector and OT equal to C vector. So this will be RS, position vector of S means B vector minus position vector of R means A vector, and RT equal to position vector of T, which is denoted by vector C, minus position vector of R means A vector. Now putting the value of RP, RS and RT in this equation first. Therefore, on the place of RP, we write here R minus A, vector A dot position vector of RS means B minus A, vector B minus vector A cross RT, that means vector C minus vector A, this equal to 0. So this equation R minus A dot B minus A cross C minus A, this equation will be the equation of a plane in vector form, which is passes through three non-collinear points R, S and T. In the Cartesian form, R equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. R equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. That means this will be OR, and OS is equal to x2 y cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, and OT equal to x3 I cap plus y3 j cap plus z3 k cap. Therefore, RS equal to position vector of S minus position vector of R. That means this will be x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap, and RT equal to position vector of T minus position vector of R. That means this will be x3 minus x1 I cap plus y3 minus y1 j cap plus z3 minus z1 k cap. Therefore, this will be, if put this will be in equation 2, then this will be R minus A. R minus A means R equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and A is the position vector of OR, means this will be A. This is the B and this is the C. R minus A means R minus A means x minus x1. R minus A dot B minus A cross C minus A equal to 0. Then this will be x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap dot in the next bracket B minus A. B minus A means B minus A, x2 minus x1, that means RS means x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap dot c minus a, that means x3 minus x1 I cap plus y3 minus y1 j cap plus z3 minus z1 k cap is equal to 0. If we arrange in the form of determinant, so this will be right like this: x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. This will be equal to 0. So we can say that if a plane passes through three non-collinear points, then equation of that plane in the Cartesian form will be x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Now in the next video we will take another type of topic.